Good morning, class. For the practical part, we will be using R and Python because R only support up to supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and for the reinforcement learning, it support only up to the basic one. So for a little bit, intermediate level, we will be using Python again. So for the R installation, you can use this guideline. You have to go to this website and download from here, whether you are using Mac or Windows or Linux. So just follow the instructions. Very easy and direct to the point of installation method. Okay, first you need to install R first, then only download and install RStudio. Okay, once you finish your installation, you will get an interface something like this. Okay, you can see here. So here you can type your coding. Okay, these are the interface lah basically, and this guideline I already uploaded into author under learning material, so you guys can check there lah, under R programming intro, so you guys can check over there. So okay, for the basic part, okay, I'm not going to touch a lot on this. So we have R script, R environment, and R console with graphical output. There are 4 panes here. Okay, pane number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. You can have any sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, as long as there are 4 pane of this, there are 4 boxes. So here you can type your code, or else you can run your code as well over here under the console. You can see here it's console. Okay, once you import your dataset will be placed here. So whatever things that you do here will be placed over here, and all the history also will be here. Okay, and this one you can save. You can utilize in future as well. Okay, and this pane is actually where it shows you what are the packages that has been installed in your RStudio. Okay, if you want to install, I will teach you how to install the libraries. Usually we will in Python we will use pip install the package, right? But in this case we will be just type here under the console here, just install, okay, package. Okay, install packages, for example any package name lah. Okay, ggplot2. Okay, it's got it here. I guess it's already installed. Let's see, ggplot. If it is not here, we can install again, no problem. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, it's here. You can update as well. Okay, select all and do update. And if you want to update the overall RStudio also, you can check for update. Okay, click on the help and check for update. And the script also you can save. Your script you can save. Okay, I create a folder called R programming in my document. Okay, before you start to work on, you should make sure that you have set a working directory. Okay, set a working directory means you just can create a new folder here. Can you see new folder under files, new folder, rename the file. Okay, I just renamed the file as, okay, this one, BWS21803 R programming. Okay, I just click here. Can you go to here and then open, no need to open, set as working directory. Okay, set as working directory. You can see it's already set up. You can see here set WD here, it shows working directory. Okay, you just select the folder that you want to make as a working directory. You can just do it. Okay, let's see some basic, very basic, this one, start R from the start program menu. On the command line type demographic, follow the prompt. You might prefer to resize the window. Okay, start, all programs start. Okay, this one is just to get the R lah, your R programming, start or RStudio. Okay, on the command line type demographics. Okay, let's try. It should be small letter, it's better. Graphics. Why it's not working? Usually it's supposed to work. I think I haven't installed certain package over here, so that's why it's not working. Demo. Okay. Type return to start. Okay. I just enter lah. Okay, you guys can see it's just like a very simple demo how it works. You can see once you enter, you can see all the data set. It's present here, the values, the operators. Enter again, you can see here the plots can shown under the plot section. Enter again, you guys can see a different plots. Okay, pie chart, box plot, distance between Brownian, motion. Okay, it's a line graph, bar chart. Okay, it's a correlation chart. Whatever things, for example, variable, any variable constant that you save in your console will be updated in your environment. Remember this. Okay, so this is a topographic map. This is another correlation map. Okay, done. So done already. For this demo, you don't have to type any coding lah, except for demo graphic. If you want to type on demo image, okay, demo image. Let's see how it works. Enter. Okay, the image on your right side, it's changing. You can see, yeah. Okay, volcano image from color to gray. Okay, these are different types of picturization. Okay, diagrams or charts that you can see. Basically are for statistical analysis and very good for visualization as well. But you still can apply from basic machine learning like supervised learning and unsupervised learning as well. Okay, we are done with all the plots. Okay, if you want to looking for an help, you guys can get help on the function Q by typing question mark with Q, question mark Q. You just need to type over your console, not under the script. Script is different. Okay, when you type here, you can see on your right side, it's bring you some kind of notes and documentations about R. Okay. Okay. Basically, you guys, okay, this is what we practice, right? Okay. Usually in R programming, either you can write a variable. Okay. Control L to clear up the console. Control L. Okay. If you want to type x equal to LOR, for example. Okay, you can see x equal to LOR. It's here on your environment. X we already declared. So if you want to print x, okay, just print x. It's printing. Okay, this thing you guys can save over here. Copy, make it as a script. Okay, right click. Okay, I save as test. test.r. .r is automatic, you see here, test.r. So you guys can run Control A. Okay, you can run line by line. Okay, when you bring your cursor on the first line, it only run the first line. If you want to go for second line, it will go for, when the cursor go to the second line, it runs the second line. If you want to run all, you guys can select Control A all and run. Okay, or else you can highlight one particular line or certain part of the coding, so you can run as well. Clear? I hope it's clear. Okay, instead of equal symbol in R, also you can use this symbol. Okay, why? It's also equal. Okay, equal to hello R2. Okay, must have open and close quote. Otherwise the string is not created. This is here also we have data types, floating, decimals, numbers, integers, strings, and all these things. Okay, now you can see y has been created. Let's see y. Where's y? Where's my y? I don't know where's my y. It's okay. Print y. Okay, I think y has been taken over by these values. Okay, so that's why I cannot create. Okay, never mind. Let me back to here. Oh, sorry, I was wrong. The way that I write the symbol is in a reverse. Sorry, guys. So it should have like y less dash symbol. Okay, just write hello, enter. So you can see here. Okay, hello is here, y variable, and then now you can print y hello. So you can see the output is number 1 is the output. So this is the basic. So I already upload this installation. Okay, this one is the cheat sheet. Okay, this sheet is actually consists of all the basic commands that we'll be using in our programming. Okay, that basically you don't have to remember. You guys can refer. Okay, these are example under there are few categories: basics, statistics, data structure, programming, manipulation, machine learning, data visualization, and file input output. Here also you can import your file. Okay, how to import? Read CSV file. Okay, read.csv, like how we did in our Python program. This is what I say. If you already learned Python, R will be slightly easier for you guys. Okay, write CSV file in order to save the file. Read different format of files here. Okay, read text, read Excel file also can. Okay, so I already upload a video as well under programming, so you guys can check the basic programming of our program. Okay, make sure you guys watch it. So that's all for the basic. I will continue with the next video for the next part, the practical one from the module 1. Thank you.